Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for 3rd standard students. Yes children, as you people know, in the previous video we have completed the poem One Thing at One Time. Yes children. So today I am going to explain you people the new lesson. Yes, that is you people have learned this rhyme already children. Now the same rhyme they have given as a story for you people in this class. You all are learning this rhyme from last 4 years, that is from LKG, Playhome and then UKG. Yes children. So today we will begin this story children. How we have to begin this story? We will start now. Children, what is very important for us to work accordingly? We have to schedule our things. How do we schedule our things? Yes, we schedule our things according to the time. Yes or no? What work should be done on what time? Where we have to go? What time we have to go? What time we have to sleep? What time we have to eat? Yes, everything it depends on the time. Morning from 8 you get up at 6 o'clock, 8:30. You take your bath and get fresh up. Before 9 to 10 o'clock you have your breakfast. Then afternoon 2:30, 1:30 you have your lunch. After that again 4:30, 5 o'clock, 5:30 you drink your milk or tea. Then again after that at night 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30 you have your dinner according to your timetable. In between this gap you have to maintain some time for your studies, for your play, to go outside with your parents, with your friends. You have all these things. Whatever you do according to your time only. So time is what? Time is very important to us. Yes children. So here is one story that the clock, about the clock children. How did this clock save one's life, one animal's life? We are going to learn today. Yes. So this is 3rd class and this is unit 9 children. Unit 9 and lesson number 10. Yes. So let us start now. Lesson 10. And the name of the lesson is Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. So here. And then you all can open page number 30 in your textbook. What children? Page number. Page number 30 in your textbook. With that, you have to hold a pencil in your hand, children. Hold a pencil in your hand. Whichever the words I write on the board when I am explaining the lesson, the same you have to underline in your textbook also. Okay. So let us start now. Okay. Hickory Dickory Dock. One day, grandfather clock and biometer were having an conversion. So, one day a grandfather clock. Yes, in this lesson they have called a clock, it is grandfather clock. So, what is this grandfather clock? We are going to learn today. And a biometer. Yes, we have to see. What is biometer clock children? Alarm clock you keep in your home, yes? Small one. Yes, it is round in shape children, like this way. Small it is round in shape. Yes, here will be a handle and here there are 2 legs for that clock to keep it on the table. Yes, like this way. Yes. And here in between, here they will write the time. See. This is the long hand of the clock, children, long hand. And this is the short hand of the clock. Yes or no? Yes. The long hand, it will tell about the minutes. And the short hand, it tells us about the hours. And there will be one more hand that is called as a second hand. Thin it will be. Yes or no? It is called as the second hand. So this clock is called as what? A bimeter clock. Yes. One day, grandfather clock and bimeter were having a conversion. There was a big clock and that clock was called as what? A grandfather's clock. You can see here, children. I will show you the picture of the clock. This is very big clock in the textbook. And this is called as a grandfather's clock. This big clock, brown color, you are seeing? Yes. And this is called as a bimeter clock, children. This one. Yes. This is called as a bimeter clock. And this is called as a grandfather's clock. See, it is too big. Yes. This clock is called as a grandfather's clock. Yes. So, here one day the grandfather's clock and the bimeter clock, they were having a conversion among them. Conversion is what? Conversion. Andre obbrukobru maatadkondu decide madodu. There was a conversion. Yes, conversion among the grandfather's clock. Grandfather clock. It was very big in size, children. The grandfather's clock was very big in size. It had a bell also. Yes, a big bell was there. And here there was the clock. Same. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Yes or no? Yes. And here also you can draw the long hand and here you can draw the short hand. Short hand. Yes. So this was the big clock and this was called as what? The grandfather's clock. And this was the small clock and this was called as a bimeter clock. So what happened one day? These two clocks were having a conversion. They were talking to each other. They were talking to each other and they were having a conversion. It was a long summer morning. What was it, children? It was a long summer morning. Summer andre beske kala. Yes. And it was the long summer. The summer was, the sun was very hot. It was the summer. Summer andre beske kala. Yes. It was the long summer morning, early in the morning in the summer season. The weather outside was sunny and still. The weather was what there outside? It was very sunny and it was very still. Yes, sunny means what? There was more sunshine. There was more, it was more sunny there outside. We are not able to go outside also. It was too hot. So it was very still. There was no one at home too. And there was no one at home. There was one big house, one big home. And in that home, no one was there in that home. All had gone outside. Only this grandfather's clock and this bimeter, these two clocks were there in the home. When you go home, the things will be in the home only, na children? Or you take your things also outside? No. You keep all the things in the home only. Only you people go home and you lock the door. Yes or no? Same like that only. Where these people were in which home? That home was locked from outside and no one was there in the home. And the weather outside was very sunny and it was the summer morning also. Farmer Jeff had gone out with his family and would be returning only the next day. There was one farmer and name of that farmer was what? Jeff. Jeff. Farmer is what? Raita. Yes. He was a farmer and name of that farmer was what here? Jeff. Jeff. Yes. He had gone out with his family. That farmer was having a family children. Husband, wife, children, they were there. So, what they did? They went outside for one day. Jeff had gone outside with his family and would be returning only the next day. When that farmer wanted to come outside, that farmer wanted to come outside next day. He wanted to come outside the next day. He had gone outside. He had taken his wife, his children outside and he was returning. Returning means he was coming back the next day. So, no one was there in the home. Suddenly, out of the blue, grandfather's clock started humming the nursery rhyme. Yes. Suddenly, out of the blue. Then what the grandfather's clock did? The grandfather's clock started humming the nursery rhyme. It started humming. Humming means it started slowly. It was singing the nursery rhyme. It was singing the nursery rhyme. Who was singing the nursery rhyme, children? The grandfather's clock. The grandfather's clock was singing the nursery rhyme. So, what was that rhyme? Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck once, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Yes, see. What rhymes? So, these rhymes you all have learned in play home, LKG, UKG, yes children? Yes. Even in first standard also, this rhyme is there in the book, English. Yes or no? In the grammar part. In between sentences they have said it to add. Yes. So here the same rhyme this grandfather clock was humming. It was saying, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck once, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Biometer was surprised. It had never seen grandfather clock in such a mood. Yes, when the grandfather clock started humming the nursery rhyme, the biometer clock, it got surprised. Surprised ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂಥರ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. How do this grandfather clock know this rhyme and why is he humming this rhyme? So why this one is singing this rhyme now? What happened? Today grandfather's mood is very nice. So the biometer clock was thinking. It was surprised why this grandfather's clock is singing this rhyme. It had never seen grandfather clock in such a mood. Yes. The biometer, this clock is telling to this clock that why today grandfather clock is so happy. Today his mood is very good. Why he is singing this rhyme? Yes. Then, what's up grandfather's clock? Then this clock will ask to this clock, what's up grandfather's clock? What are you doing? How are you? Why your mood is too good today? Yes, this biometer clock is asking to the grandfather clock. Then, this is a very old nursery rhyme. I remember little Rubina standing in front of you and singing this. Yes, the biometer clock is telling to the grandfather clock, this is very old nursery rhyme. Yes, the small clock, this biometer clock is telling to this clock, this is very old nursery rhyme. I remember little Rubina. There was a girl called Rubina and she was the poet. Yes, Rubina. Yes, She was singing this rhyme. She was standing in front of this clock. Who was standing in front of the clock, children? Rubina. Rubina was standing in front of the clock, in front of the grandfather's clock, and she was singing this nursery rhyme. So this clock is telling to this clock, I remember little Rubina standing in front of you and singing this nursery rhyme. So many years ago, but she was so scared of mice. She would shudder even every time she took his name in the rhyme. And this little girl Rubina, she was scared of the rhymes. Whenever she used to take the name of the mice, she used to feel scared, afraid, frightened. Yes, she used to shudder, children. Why? Whenever we used to take the name of the mice. Mice means ili. Iligalu. Yes, when it is only one, we call rats. When they are more than one, we call mice. Yes or no? Yes. So, this little Rubina, she was so scared of the mice. So, whenever she used to sing that rhyme, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck once, the mouse ran down. So whenever that word mouse used to come, she used to get scared, children, to sing that nursery rhyme. She used to shudder. She used to get in fever. She used to shake her hands and her legs. She used to get more afraid to use that word mouse or mice. She was scared of mice. Yes. Every time she took his name in the rhyme. Whenever she used to take the name of that mouse in the rhyme, she used to get scared. Now the conversion will start and the story begins now, children. So listen carefully. Now this clock will tell. Yes, I remember. By the way, did I ever tell you the story of Hickory Dickory Dock? Yes. See. This clock is telling to the biometer clock. Yes, I remember, that little Rubina, whenever she used to sing the nursery rhyme, Hickory Dickory Dock, she used to get more fear, more scared, more frightened to use the word mouse. Then this clock will ask to this clock, have I ever said you the story of Hickory Dickory Dock? Yes, this clock is asking. ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ನಿನಗೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನೇನು? It is asking, have I ever said you the story of Hickory Dickory Dock? Then this clock will tell now. No, you never tell me anything except the time, and there too you are not always right. See, the clock is telling, you have not told me any stories till now, and you don't tell me any stories, you only tell me the time, and that time also you don't tell me correctly. Yes, this clock is telling, you have never said me any stories, you only tell me the time, and that time also you don't tell me correctly, you tell me the wrong time. Yes, now this clock will answer. As if you are always right. See, this clock got angry, grandfather's clock got angry, and he is answering to this clock as if you are always right. Nee yavattu ba correct time heltiya? As if you are always right. I remember you pointing to rain when it was very sunny outside. See, then what this clock will tell? I remember how you will tell time. I know. You see the weather outside, whether it is raining or what, and then you tell the time. Yes. Then this clock will tell now. It was dark outside the village, argued biometer, a little angry. Anyway, tell me your story. So this biometer clock was little angry. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮಳೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೀನು ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತು. So it was little angry, children. In that anger mood only, this will tell it was outside dark in the village. This clock is telling to this clock. Outside it was very dark in the village. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಕತ್ಲು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. It was very dark in the village. Argued the biometer. Argued ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾದ ವಿವಾದ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes. A little angry. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. This clock was getting little angry. Little children. It was getting little angry. Anyway, tell me your story. There is that anger only. The biometer clock will ask to the grandfather clock, you tell me your story now. Yes. Now this clock will start telling the big story, children. There is a very big story and you listen it very carefully. Now this will start the story. Who will start? The grandfather's clock will start telling the story now. This happened many years ago. I was just 2 years old and much more handsome than what I am now. Yes. This clock started telling the story now. The story helak start martiva. Yes. What this clock is telling? This happened many years ago. Bhala varshada hinde. This happened many years ago. I was just 2 years old and much more handsome than what I am now. Yes, this clock is telling many years ago. This story has taken place many years ago and I was just 2 years old. Yes, what this clock is telling? At that time I was just 2 years old. Farmer Jeff's father Bob had brought me and I was the only clock in the entire village. Yes. Then this grandfather's clock will tell me, Farmer Jeff's father. Farmer Jeff is a farmer. His father Bob. What was his name? Bob. He had brought this clock to the village. Yes. Farmer Bob. Farmer Jeff's father Bob had brought this grandfather's clock and it was only 2 years old when this story had taken place. Had just brought me and I was the only clock in the entire village. Yes, you saw the picture, children. This clock is very big. Yes or no? So this was the only one clock in whole entire village. ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಗಡಿಯಾರ ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಇತ್ತು. There was this only one clock in whole entire village. I recall my people coming to the farm just to see me. Yes. Then he started recalling this grandfather's clock. It is telling to this biometer clock that when Jeff's father Bob had brought me to this village, I was only the one clock in whole entire village and people used to come and see me again and again. People, there were many people in village. You can find many people will be there, children. Yes, and they started coming to see this grandfather's clock. Again and again the people used to come and visit. Why? Because they want to see the big grandfather's clock. Children would also come visiting me and try to read the time. Children also, what they used to say? They used to come again and again. They used to come and they used to visit the grandfather's clock. Why? To read the time in the clock. What is the time? They wanted to read. They would say it is 5:30 when it would be 2:30. Grandfather clock clucked at the memory. Yes. Then the grandfather clock is telling to the biometer clock. The people also used to come and see me again and again. And even the small children in the village. They used to come and visit me again and again. And they used to read the time present on the clock. The children, small children, they don't have to tell the time. No, children, you people can tell the correct time. No. Number also can read the time properly. Yes or no? Yes. So the children, they used to read the time. ಗರಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಸಣ್ಣ 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 ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ. They used to try to read the time. And then they would say it is 5:30 when it would be 2:30. So see, children, they don't know to read the time properly. So what they used to do, whenever it is 2:30, they used to read as if 5:30. They used to read the time as 5:30 when it was 2:30. Grandfather's clock clucked at the memory. Grandfather's clock, it's clucked. It recalled all the old memories. Who? The grandfather clock. It recalled all the old memories. So it slap. Yes. So here. So one day what happened, children? Here there was a sheepdog named Max. Yes, there was one dog and that dog was the sheepdog. Sheepdog means it will be having more furry hairs, long hairs on the body. It looks like the sheep only. So the name for that dog was what, children? Max. What was the name for that dog? Max. The name for that dog was what? Max, children. What was the name? Max. Whose name was Max? The dog name was Max. Yes. He was everybody's favorite. That dog, everyone used to like that dog more. He was everyone's favorite dog, children. So the dog was called as a sheepdog, and that dog was everyone's favorite dog, children. So even you people keep pets as pet in your home, na children. You keep sheep, you keep cat, you keep rabbit, you keep dogs. Yes or no? You like pet animals. Yes, dog guards your house. Yes or no? So you keep it as a pet in your home. Many different types of dogs we can find. Same like that only. There was one sheep dog and name of that dog was what, children? Max. And everybody used to like that dog in the village. Everybody, they used to like that dog. He was everybody's favorite. He was very playful. Yes, the dog, it used to play more. Now you have pets in your home. You throw the ball to that dog. That dog will go and bring that ball. Yes or no? With the help of the legs, it will do like this way, and it will go and bring that dog, and it will start playing with you. How you train the animals? They get trained the same. Yes or no? They play with you. When you trouble them, when you tease them, they start barking at you. They come to bite you. Yes or no? Yes. So this dog also, it was very a playful dog. Always it was playing. Always it was enjoying. Yes. And allowed even the mice to nibble at his foot in the kennel. Yes, children. What is the dog's house is called? Kennel. The dog house is called as what? Kennel. Nibble is what, children? Nibble. Nibble. Nibble is what? Nibble. That dog, it would allow the mice to nibble his food also. Yes, nibble ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತುಕಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದು. Yes, the mouse, they used to go to the dog's kennel inside the dog's house, and what they used to do, they used to nibble the things, and they used to eat the things of the dog's food. Whatever food is kept for that dog, all the mice, they used to enter the dog's house, and they used to nibble the things, and they used to eat it. And the dog used to allow ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದು ನಾಯಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಇಲಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿ ಅದರ ಊಟನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿನ್ನಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಸ್, ಬಟ್ he guarded the ship responsibly. Yes, but this dog, it was in the shipyard, and he used to always take care of the ships in the yard. Many ships were there, and this dog, it used to take care of the ships very responsibly, ಬಹಳ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಿಂದ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕುರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅದು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. It was taking care of all the ships in the yard. He took his duties very seriously. This dog, what used to do, whatever duty is given to that dog, the dog was to do its duty very seriously. ಬಹಳ ಗಂಭೀರವಾಗಿ ತಗೋತಿತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ. ಅದು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಕೆಲಸನ ಅದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ very seriously whatever duty is assigned to the dog is to do it very seriously. Yes, he would stand guard at Jeff's cribs when his mother was busy feeding the other animals at the farm. So see what this dog was to do. The dog was to stand and guard at Jeff's cribs. Whatever cribs means, there will be a big yard, children, and they will fix the white poles, cement poles, and they will add some string to it so that other animals shouldn't get inside. So it was to stand near that crib, farmer Jeff's crib, and it was to guard all the animals. When it was to do this, when his mother was busy feeding the other animals at the farm. Yes, when the sheep's mother was very busy in giving food for all her babies, then this dog was to stand near the cribs and guard the sheep. Next, no one told him, he just did it. No one told him to guard those sheep, children. No one told him to take care of those sheep, but he used to stand and he used to take care of all the things. Yes, no one told him, he just did it. No one told him, but he just did it. Suddenly one day Max became ill. Yes, then one day what happened, children? The dog Max, he became ill. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಒಂದಿನ ಹುಷಾರ್ ತಪ್ಪಿತು. ill means what? To fall sick. To fall sick. Yes, so the dog, it was not well. The dog, it became ill. It became sick. Yes, and within a week his condition worsened. Within 1 week, ಒಂದೇ ವಾರದೊಳಗಡೆ, within 1 week the dog condition was worsened. Totally, he was not able to stand, he was not able to sit properly, he was not having the food, the dog was not drinking the milk. Totally the condition was very critical. It was not well at all. Yes, he was not able to eat, he could barely walk, and the vet in the village told Mr. Bob that Max will never be able to get up again. See, it was barely ತಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಎದ್ದು ಒಂಚೂರು ಒಂದು 2 ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ನಡೀತಿತ್ತು. So too bad condition was there of that dog that it was unable to wake up and walk also. Yes, then what happened? And the vet in the village, a vet for whom we call a vet, the doctor who treats the animals, animals doctor is called as a vet. Yes, so they took this dog to the vet in the village. Where was that doctor? That doctor was there in that village only. Yes, told farmer Bob that Max will never be able to get up again. Yes, and the biometer, this grandfather clock is telling this story, children. Many years ago, ಬಹಳ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು grandfather clock in story ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ to the biometer clock. So there was the farmer Bob and there was the vet, the doctor. He said to farmer Bob that Max is never get up again. Max will never get up again. He is not going to get well. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Yes. That he will be in a pain for as long as he lives. Then what the doctor said? He will not get up and walk again, and he will be in pain for as long as he lives. Till he is alive, till he is alive, still he is there on the earth, he will be in pain only. He will not get all right. He will not get well. He cannot walk. The doctor said to Mr. Bob. Yes. Farmer Bob and his wife Grima. Yes. The name of the wife is what, children? Farmer Bob's wife name is what? Grima. Then what they did? His wife Grima were very upset. Upset means what, children? To become sad. To become sad. Underline all these words, children. Keep the fingers when I am reading the sentences in your textbook. Yes. Then Farmer Bob and his wife, both of them, they became very upset when the doctor said he cannot walk again. He cannot become well. Yes, as long as he lives, he will be in the pain only. So listening these words, Bob and his wife, they became very upset. Upset means they became very sad. Bada dukka aitu avರಿಗೆ ನೋವು ಆಯಿತು. They became very sad. They tried to make Max as comfortable as possible. Yes. Then both of them, Mr. Bob and his wife, both of them, they were trying to make Max comfortable as possible as. ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದಷ್ಟು they were trying to make Max comfortable. Yes. But Max continued to be in pain. But Max, he was always in pain. He could not get up. He could not eat anything. He could not walk. So he was always in pain only, children. Then next. Then one day he told Gima, I don't think Max will get any better. Then one day Mr. Bob, he called his wife Gima and he said, I don't think that our dog Max is going to get all right. ಇವಾಗ ಅದು ಹುಷಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Who said this? Mr. Bob. Mr. Bob said to his wife, I don't think that the dog will get all right now. I can't bear to see him like this. We must put him to sleep. Then what Mr. Bob will tell? I can't see this dog suffering so badly. He is not eating, he is not sleeping, he is not walking, he is not moving. I can't see this dog suffering so badly. I can't see him. So I have come to an idea that we will put him to the sleep. To the sleep andre adana saiyodu. Adana kollodu. Yes. Who had taken this decision, children? Mr. Bob. Mr. Bob had taken this decision to put him to the sleep. Call me in when the clock struck 1 and I will put him to rest. Then what Mr. Bob will tell to his wife? Call me when the clock struck once. Once means when it will show the time 1 o'clock. When it will show the time 1 o'clock, you just give me a call. I will come and I will put him to the rest. Yes. Gima also had tears in her eyes. Then Mr. Bob's wife, Mrs. Gima, she had tears in her eyes. The tears were falling from her eyes because ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನದಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಕಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಔಷಧಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಅನಿಸ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ನಾ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್. Mama will start crying, Papa will start crying, you will start crying. Same like that only. Even Mr. Bob's wife, she was feeling very sorry to put him in the rest. So she was having tears in her eyes. Yes, tears andre kanneeru. I think that is the best way out of Max, but it will break my heart. Then what? Grima will tell, yes, what you are saying, that is a good idea, but that will break my heart. ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದ? ಛಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. It will break my heart. I cannot bear the dog to put him in the rest. Yes. Who says this? Grima, his wife. Yes. Mine too, Grima. Saying this, Bob went to the field. Then he said, not only you will feel bad, not only your heart is going to break, my heart too is going to break when I am putting him to the rest. By saying these two words, Mr. Bob, he went to the fields. Grima wound me up, but as she was crying so much, she forgot to fasten my face. She left it swinging open. Then this wall clock is telling now, this whole story has happened in front of me only. And even Mr. Bob and Mr. Bob's wife, they were very sad. They were thinking how to make this dog well. In that conversion only, Miss Grima, what she did, she forgot to fasten my face, means to wipe my face and close the door of the clock. She did not close it. She kept it open and she went off. Why? Because she was crying more. Who was crying more? Grima was crying more. Yes. She forgot to fasten my face. She left it swinging open. This clock was swinging. She left it open and she went away. Even I was feeling sad. Sad for Max. Sad for Farmer Bob. Sad for Grima. Yes, the clock is saying. Even I was feeling very sad for the dog Max, the farmer Bob, and even his wife Mrs. Grima. I was feeling very sorry. I was feeling very sad for all three of them. This clock is telling to the bioactor. Yes. Jeff was still a baby at that time, and Jeff was what? He was a small baby when the story had happened in the home. Jeff was small baby. I was getting ready to stuck one when a mouse came creeping through the open door across the floor, climbed up my body and perched himself upon my big hand. Yes. So what happened, children, there? I was getting ready to stuck. The clock is telling, I was getting ready to stuck one ಗಂಟೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ what happened? When a mouse came creeping through the open door. Yes, she had left the door open. Then the mouse came creeping to the open door of the clock. And what it did? Across the floor. It came from across the floor. And what it did? It climbed up my body. Yes, it started climbing up the clock's body slowly and it went inside the watch, inside the clock. And perched himself upon my big hand. And what the clock did? It came and the mouse, it came and stood on the clock here. This is the long hand. It was showing the time 1 o'clock, children. What time it was showing? 1 o'clock. Yes, this was the short hand. Here you can see 1 o'clock. And here it is going to come now. This is the long hand. For just 10 minutes was left. Suddenly the clock came creeping on the mouse came creeping on the clock's body and it came and stood here, whereas this hand was unable to move up. ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಬಂದು ಆ ಗಡಿಯಾರಿನ ಬೆನೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ ಬಿಡ್ತು. Then the clock was unable to move. The hand was unable to move forward. Naturally, his weight prevented me from striking the hour. Then what happened? When the mouse sat there, then there was no place for the hand to move. You can see here, I will show you the picture, children. Yes, here you can see. Yes, children, you can see the picture here. See here, where the mouse is sitting. Here it is 1 o'clock, and this is the long hand, this is the minute hand, and this is the hour hand. Suddenly, the mouse came and stood here. See what they have said. Naturally, his weight prevented me from striking the hour. Yes. So, when the mouse sat here, then the hand was unable to move front. Adike munde barak chance illa. Yes, it was unable to move front, children. The hand was unable to move front. So, it could not show the correct time. That was the first time ever that I failed to do my duty. Since tell the time. Then the clock is telling, that was my first time that I have not set the correct time. So, I failed my duty on that day. I cannot say the correct time. Why? Because the mouse came and stuck on the minute hand. Because I did not struck one, Grima did not call Bob in. See, because the time was not 1 o'clock, and then the Mr. Bob's wife, she did not call Mr. Bob, and Bob also, he did not come. And Bob also forgot about it till he came home in the evening. So once he had gone to the field to the work, and even Bob also forgot that I have to go home to put him to the sleep. The clock did not struck 1. Grima did not call Mr. Bob. Mr. Bob also did not come, and even he forgot till he comes back in the evening. Sanjay manege vapas baro tanaka avanige adu teleyinda marthogitu. So here, as he sat down for his supper, what do you think he saw? Then he came in the evening from the field and he wanted to eat something. Yes, your parents also, when they work in the field, as soon as they come from the field at the evening, what they do? They will wash their hands, legs, face, they get fresh up. And immediately, if they come by evening time, Mama will provide some half cup of tea and all. If not, if they are very late, Mama will provide them the food, na children. Why? Because they are hungry, working in the field for long time. Yes, same like that way only. Mr. Bob also, he was very hungry and he was having his supper. Then when he was eating his food, suddenly he saw something coming in front of him. Then he was shocked. What happened? Max came into the room, limping, and sat down beside Bob. Then Max, he came limping. Limping means kunta. Adenaitu Bob in room alli bantu. Then he was weak but wagging his tail. See how he came. He came limping and he sat beside Bob. Yes, he was very weak. He had become very weak. Bala ashakta agbittitadu. But still he was wagging his tail, sitting beside Mr. Bob. Bob shouted in glee. Then Bob, he was very happy when he saw the dog came walking and sitting beside him, and it was wagging its tail. Adar bala allarsta ittadu. It was wagging its tail. Then what happened? Then Bob, he got very happy and he shouted in a glee. Ontara ಖುಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಕಿರ್ಚಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. What he will shout? Grima, see, Max is wagging his tail to welcome me home. Then what Bob will tell? Grima, come out. He called his wife. You come out and see that the dog is wagging its tail to welcome me home. To welcome me home. Bless him. He must be getting better. I am glad you did not call me in at 1 today. So see, then Mr. Bob is telling to his wife, bless him, because he must be getting better. He must be getting better. I am glad to you that you did not call me at 1 o'clock. Yes, because the clock did not strike 1, Gima did not call Bob, and Bob did not came. So they did not put him to the sleep. But when evening, when Mr. Bob came and he was having his food, then what happened? The dog came slowly inside Mr. Bob's room and he sat beside Mr. Bob wagging his tail. So Mr. Bob is telling that now he is becoming better. He is becoming better. Thank you very much that you have not called me at 1 o'clock. Otherwise, I would have put him in the sleep. Max recovered and soon he was back at work too. Then slowly, day by day, Max, he became alright. He became well and he started doing his duty too. Nobody knows what made me stop from striking one day. So you see, the nursery rhyme is wrong. So what this biometer clock is telling? Nobody knows what struck me. What made me to stop on that day not to say the time 1 o'clock? Yes, the mouse stopped me to struck 1 o'clock. Because of the mouse, I did not struck 1 and the dog got well. It was not put in the sleep. So you see, the nursery rhyme is wrong. The nursery rhyme is wrong. The mouse ran up the clock, but the clock did not struck 1. Can you change the ending of the poem? Yes, the clock is telling. Can you change the ending of the poem? What is said there? The mouse ran up the clock and the clock did not struck 1. So you change this ending line of the poem. Yes children, this was the story that grandfather clock said to the biometer clock. So I have completed this lesson for you people, and you people read this lesson as much as possible many times because it is very interesting story and there is a conversion among 2 clocks in this story. Yes children, so read this lesson. I will be in front of you with the new video. Saying by this, I will conclude my class. Thank you children. Have a great day.